In the automotive manufacturing landscape, cybersecurity extends far beyond traditional IT concerns. A single cyber incident can cascade rapidly into factory downtime, delay in deliveries, compliance exposure, or reputational damage. My name is Hasrul Nizam Abdul Zaid Shagia. I am a IT manager and business continuity manager in HICOM Automotive Manufacturers. Our primary challenge was maintaining consistent visibility control across a vast and highly complex ecosystem. What stood out with Bitdefender was how MDR Plus, XDR and PHASR work together as a single ecosystem rather than standalone tools. Threat detection is fast, accurate and contextual, which significantly reduces false positive and unnecessary escalation. Instead of spending time chasing alerts, our resources can now focus on strategic initiative, system improvement, and business enablement. Bitdefender is not just a tool, it is an extension of our security operation, supporting us in protecting manufacturing continuity at all times.